Hello and welcome to this week's lesson. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to access BlkBrd and the courses that might be available to you. So if you've not made a BlkBrd account before, you're going to want to go to the ESC page for our course that we're taking. Audio editing, creations, and tools. So if you go down to the learning management system, you can see the BlkBrd course sites. Click on that. It'll take you to the home page that's available through our course. So you do not want to go to BlkBrd.com because most of the time with an LMS it needs to be through a school unless you purchase it yourself. So then you're going to go ahead and click register if you don't already have an account. If you do have an account, you can just go to sign in. Go ahead and click on register, and you are unfortunately going to have to fill in all required fields. Okay, you want to make sure that you register as a professor or instructor. Alright, once you go through all of those steps and click submit, you will also have to create a username and things like that. So make sure you create your profile and your username. Once you have signed in, it will bring you to your institution page. So your institution page may or may not look something very similar to this. On the left hand side in this menu bar, you'll see courses. You're going to want to go ahead and click on courses. Here it gives you the ability to filter through the options. If you want to see all courses, you can click on that. So through my institution, I can see all of these courses. Alright, and this is one of the students in our class. So you should have a class that you can click on. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the one that I am creating, or that I'm accessing and building inside of. And this is very user-friendly. If you need to edit something, there's usually a pencil with the ability to edit that. So I just clicked on that and edit it to the name that I wanted. And then make sure that you see visible to students under all of your course content. Okay? If it's not visible or if it's hidden, make sure you click on visible. And that basically gets you to how to access the available courses to you. On the left hand side here, there's a few more options that are a little bit more advanced, but just wanted to show you guys in this module how to get to a course and access it for yourself. Next we'll be talking about making sure that the course is visible and using that student view. Thank you.